Honey, I gotta go to work, okay? Okay, but be a little careful because the weather said that there's supposed to be a little storm. Probably a big one. Okay, I'll watch out. Bye. I'm gonna go wake up my daughter. Honey, wake up. Can you come downstairs with me? Yeah, Mom. I'll be down there in a sec. Thank you. Got some sneezes. Okay, honey, there's supposed to be a big storm, so can you go warn your brother? Yeah, sure. I'm terrified. I don't want my babies to die, and I don't want my husband to die, so I hope you will be careful. Brother! What? Stop kissing her and let's get downstairs. Mom said there's gonna be a huge storm. And she wants us to be down there. There's probably gonna be a tornado. Fine, one more kiss and then I'll be down there. Okay. So what did he say he will do? He said he's gonna come down here after one more kiss. To his girlfriend? Oh my gosh, a tornado is more serious. He better be down here in 10 minutes. Okay. Mom, did you say there was supposed to be a tornado? Yes, more likely there will be. I'm gonna go check the weather. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's supposed to be a tornado. There's a tornado warning. I'm gonna go check outside. It's bad. I better go get the kids into the basement. Kids, I want you guys to get in the basement, okay? Why? Is there a tornado? Yes. Go downstairs. Okay. Follow me. Okay, is everybody in the basement? Yes. But, Mom, what about Dad? I'm going upstairs to get the phone to call him. I'll be right back. Mom, be careful. I will. Honey, I want you to come home right now. Why? There's a tornado heading our way, and I want you to be here with us. The kids are really worried, and they want you to be here. Okay, I'm on my way. Thank God. Okay, bye. Bye. Your father's on his way. Okay. Daddy! I'm here, Pumpkin. Go say hi to your dad. Hi, Dad. Ow, why do you gotta push me all the time? Sorry, Mom. I'm going to sit down. Yeah, I'm going to go sit down with her too. Daddy, let's go get in that corner over there where Mom and and Abigail are. Ow. Let's all huddle. Is everybody huddling? Yeah. Okay. I want everybody to be safe, okay? I'll be in the middle. Is everybody okay? Yes. I'll go check upstairs. You guys stay down. It's okay. Come on. Well, that was scary. Well, bye everyone. I probably want to get back to my family.